Hi, good day. This is Alex from Internet Reality Code, right? So in today's reviews, I would like to show to you about this new product we launched tonight. It's called OutReachr, right? So basically, OutReachr is a platform where you can find Aspire domains are at very cheap and low price, and you can actually buy at very low price, and you can actually sell it to make a lot of profit. It's kind of arbitrary, a way of actually you buy low and sell high, right? So I think the best part about this is also the end-to-end process of purchasing this low price domain, and also they will actually show you how you can you sell it to some of the places right in the internet, to how you can actually way to find and way to sell low price at very high price, and you can make a lot of profit out of that, right? So when you click the link below this video, you're going to come to this review page, right? Look like this, right? Okay, so when you click any of the button inside my review page, we again take you to this PR range, right? Okay, the PR range, it will look something like that. It's a powerful software, grab high value, domain for pennies on the loader. Then you can flip for upfront and recurring profit, right? So it's a flipping of the domain, buy low and sell high. That's basically what it do like in this PR range. Right? It's so easy to make money using this method, right? Find, flip, and profit, right? So as simple as that, there's no complicated way involved. There's nothing to sell, nothing to promote, but it's about people's. There are certain domain name people just like the name, and they are actually they can afford to pay you 2,000 to 100. You may just buying those domain name less than $10, $20. So that's how you can actually make money out of this domain flipping. Okay. Okay, so there is a fantastic software, and do take your time to go through every single detail of this sales page, right? Okay, so let me bring to you this PRS review page. So I put together a few pro things like that. You can read through all these pain point. And you get high page rank domain. Then Google love for banning on the loader, right? You can just sell it, right? Okay, it can be rated by age, backlink, traffic, social signal, right? Okay, all kind of category can be found using this software. Proven strategy, domain people are building such figure month, right? It's cloud-based, nothing to download and filter by only high value order then, and there's a lot of filtering and easy shortlisting. You can short this domain, and you can easily build a list of the domain inside the platform itself. So basically, I don't find any con about this product, right? Okay, so with this I've also have bundled a lot of bonuses, close to 10,000 bonuses, no? And with this come to this review of this, so the front end is 67, right? Okay, and was Bailey and Simon's Hammer are the two person who come out with this product. So what is the PR risk, right? So I have actually explained to you before, and below are the benefit. I summarized it together here to feel free to take a look into all the benefit here, right? And I have also I'll be putting up my review video here, and there's only 3 steps involved here. The first step is to enter your keyword and choose your filter and click search, right? Okay, as simple as that. It can actually filter by age, backlink, traffic, social signal, right? And step 2, flip your powerful domain for fast and easy. Okay, there are 3 extra helpful training video. They come together. They help you to find the more profitable domain out there. Flip them fast and make. They come with the full training video teach you how you can flip it for fast cash, right? And how you can land the domain out for recurring income also and profit big. Okay, only 3 steps involved, as simple as that. I think there are some testimonial they also put up into the sales page itself, right? Okay, here's a demo video, and what are the PRs front end? The front end is a 67, right? Okay, and the 47 is a domain content system, domain management system, and the seller license also. And this is a one-time cost OTO1, and the brand new domain system allow people to have fully hosted for sale or for them template on their domain. Okay, this is easy to sell or then for passive income, no hosting or set up. Basically, they provide you a system how you can manage all this domain. You have shortlisted, right? You can use these tools That's how you can actually run your domain landing or business using this one-time cost, only one-time pricing. But okay, so you can actually manage unlimited domain inside this domain management system, and also the incredible content system. Content Artemis plus hot domain are matched, make in heavens, great high value domain, and then full of the hot auto content for ranking and benefit. So it can actually get domain and also have the content auto updated to them. But this is hot. Okay, the seller light is one cost at 197 is a purchaser. We have the right to sell the PR range software for 100% commission, right? So there's 30-day money guarantee come together, and with this PR range, I actually put together a lot of very high value bonuses, right? Now, take a look into this. There are two special bonuses I prepare for you. First, this is my own product, DIY money. This is for the first 12 hours. Okay, you can grab these bonuses together, right? This is 50,000 make money online subscriber. You can log into autoresponder and start monetize from the list. You don't have to build a list. You don't have a list of people to promote. Okay, I am actually giving you the list. Potentially, you can also promote your domain to sell this domain to all these subscriber. I think there may be also people searching for a domain to actually to make their business online, right? Okay. Okay, second special bonus is PLR worth. This is PLR worth is 6,000 PLR ebook and video. You can tap into all this PLR ebook and video and sell it and keep 100% profit. So bonus one, right? Okay, here come the, if you miss out these two bonuses again, I have exclusive to today how to make money with the PR range, right? Okay. And bonus two, 15 times your profit with the 15 free traffic sources, right? You can actually sell the domain to all these 15 free traffic sources, or you can actually sell it using the pay underground traffic. No matter what kind of business you are doing, whether you're selling domain, selling physical product or digital product, okay, I think traffic is a blood of anything you're going to sell online, right? Okay, I have the TikTok traffic app also, and the JavaScript commission, the best Instagram traffic app, 3x the best Twitter traffic app. So all this traffic app ultimately is going to help you to get you more purchasers or buyer for your PR range. Okay, so this is how exactly how I do, and potentially you're able to find some buyer from all this traffic software, right? Okay, Social is a social media marketing tool, and you are running running some social account. You can auto post or schedule post using this software. It's a account app and video library giveaway. 250 video is a content for your website, blog, or can give away for engagement. Audio videos, audio widget, this again come with a reseller line also. You can actually resell it. You can actually create your own audio track to integrate with your video, and also if you are actually creating your own video and exclusive list building training with 100 free software. Click. So in this is another very high value training course that you learn how to learn A to Z how to do a list building, and by the end of this list building you are getting 100 free solo app. Imagine if you are going to pay on the market, how much does it cost? $100, $80, or it could be $150, and by you getting 100 free, click for free. This is generous. Click, don't worry, this is something genuine I have actually put together for you. YouTube Hack 2021 and two YouTube channel SEO is another two YouTube some of the YouTube trick I put together, and I'm actually giving away to you also under these two bonuses. You can actually make use of this trick to actually run your own YouTube channel, YouTube video. High ticket system, learn how to make high ticket commission and selling high ticket product also. So pay affiliate software funnel, the three best affiliate software I put together for you to sell inside this funnel, right? Okay, so this is another very high quality bonuses, 100 times tools, 50 SEO tool, and a cloud app, right? You're going to get this also free and use it how to actually rank your domain or website or blog. If you are actually getting some domain from the PR range, you can actually use it to optimize SEO once you have the content, right? Okay, product launch attack, learn how to make the best use of your product launch. Email search, how to boost your email conversion, right? Using a few method and trick I have going to show here into this bonuses, and also 250k is a funnel builder, right? Okay, and also you're getting a video creation app from me, and also where our traffic cloud app also come together, and affiliate store builder, and free training how to make money without you even selling anything. Okay, anything. So if PRUsh give you a opportunity to make money by flipping the domain, but here I'm giving you bonuses that teach you how to make money on that without you selling anything, nothing to sell, but you still can make money on that, right? Okay, 100 giveaway. This is 100 giveaway. We will this using the 100 giveaway, right? 100 giveaway have video, ebook, software, template, and you can actually use it to build your list. Okay, or you can actually give it away as a bonuses, as a lead magnet. It's up to you. I'm giving this to you in these bonuses, and I believe there are some vendor bonuses that come together inside here. Okay, so all these bonuses you're going to get as part of this purchase, right? And all the bonuses is now downloadable from the JVU my member area. And I also have some more bonuses for you. There are 10 exclusive bonuses below here. Okay, this is a one. YouTube view, case study, how to find close high paying client, wallet traffic exposure, dominate your YouTube without showing your face, and 10,000, 6,000 lead case study, personal branding blueprint, storytelling, marketing, Pinterest profit by a trigger, and also Facebook ad secret advanced scaling, right? All the bonuses here is getting around up to close to 150 bonuses I put together for you here. All these bonuses are already high quality, really exclusive bonuses, right? Okay, you can serve now. Most of the marketer they will give you 3 or 5 bonuses, and most of the bonuses they know as high quality as what I'm giving to you here, right? All these are very high quality with exclusive bonuses, right? Say all the bonuses can be downloadable from the JVU. So thanks for action today. Click the link below this video. When you come to the review page, then click any of the orange button and grab this PRUsh, right? Edge and high traffic domain software. Okay, it's very special, very unique software, right? Okay, this is not a crappy thing, but it is something you can easily tap to make money easily using this way of flipping domain, right? Okay, before I end today's presentation, let me quickly show to you to this PRUsh. Okay, so when you come to here, this PRUsh, you can see you can search by keyword. Okay, example like you want to search by I don't know, maybe weight loss or something like that, right? Maybe you can. Again, there's a suggested keyword here. Okay, you can see from the different search engine, they will suggest what's the keyword. You can look at search, right? Okay, the domain related to the weight loss. Okay, something like that. You see, you can have this different domains, source GoDaddy, $12, the pricing, and also the valuation. It means this valuation is some kind of lesson. Let's say you're buying this at $12 and how much you can actually resell it 500. This is as a different, or it could be selling higher also. Right? So you want to purchase it, or you want to sort this, or you can actually detail also. You can see this is the detail, right? You can see all this detail of this the profile about this bid. Okay, and valuation, and also some other information like total backlink what you have here, and all this is a way for you to make decision to purchase or not to purchase this, and you can actually shortlist it here. Okay, add domain to the shortlist. You can actually click the shortlist, so the domain will be added to the shortlist here, and you can actually pull out the list later for your own reference. So as simple as that, right? Okay, so you can also save your search here. Okay, so as simple as that, you can save your search, and you can also build your list on the domain you have selected here, and you can actually purchase it. Okay, click the purchase, it will link you to the purchase also. Right? So this is how easy a platform for you to search domains, the age expiry domain. And these are bad things. They will give you all the profile about the domain things are backlink. Okay, you have more backlink, then the domain definitely have more value, right? So when you sell it to the third party, definitely you're going to sell at a higher price. There's tutorial then come together. They teach you how to every single step how to do these things like how to become a good domainer, and also make sure you have training. There's a training and more advanced filter and domain search also, right? Okay, right. So that is basically how we do, and also there are some things like DMS also. There's other link you can actually try it out also, right? Okay, so this is basically their support here, right? So basically it's also that's about it, and I think in the tutorial they will also tell you way to actually sell the domain, right? Okay, or you can sell the domain outside of this platform, and using the list or traffic software I give to you, potentially you can get some buyer out of the traffic sources I recommend to you inside my bonus as well. So that's basically the idea behind this PR race, right? Okay, so you can again try out some say make money online. Okay, for example. Okay, do a search here. You can see a lot of make money online. So domain can beat also this something I can see 531. You can actually do the shorting also based on here, and you can easily do the shorting of other field also, and that's about okay. So that's about the PR race, right? I hope you now have an understanding about how this platform, this domains searching software work. Right? Okay, the first section today, click the link below this video. Don't miss this opportunity to get all my bonuses, right? Right. All these bonuses is far have more value than the PR race itself. Definitely, this bonuses is going to take you on the business to the next level. Do take fast action today, and I hope you enjoy my presentation today, and I wish you good luck in your online business, and also be safe and always have a nice day. Thank you and have bye bye.